Hi folks, my proposed NGO called MAS Foundation is finally taking shape. What is MAS all about? MAS is about Mobility Alliance and Social Sustainability Foundation. It is a Section 8 not-for-profit NGO sustained by efforts of 6 members, and now we want to go to 600 and 600,000. MAS stands for utilizing green technology, electrical vehicle technology and other such kind of technologies which help reduce individual pollution that we do using two-wheelers and three-wheelers when we use ICE vehicles. We have put up our website, which is www.mas-foundation.org. You can leave behind your name, your number, a small logo that we have kept as a JPEG that can be uploaded, and a small 150-word paragraph. We would be really helpful if you believe that yes, you can contribute to green tech changes, helping us from the climate change and the extreme climate change that we are seeing, as well as contributing your little bit towards the EV manufacturing industry within India. We would really appreciate even if you are an individual who wants to get associated with it. We will be continuously bringing in a lot of efforts into various problems that the industry faces and various problems that the consumer faces using MAS Foundation. We also want to become the voice of the small entrepreneur for the government. Do visit www.mas-foundation.org. We are also available on Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook. All the links are given within the video, the last card, as well as in the description of the video. Please visit us and help support us in improving the environment. Thank you.